Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Grace here. I hope you guys have been fine. It's been what would I say? It's been a depressing weekend for me with the elections back in Nigeria and the outcome and so many things that went in between those elections and waiting for the results. So we just got the result last night and a candidacy had been declared, and I'm like, you know what, I'm not going to allow this whole thing to depress me anymore. I'm just going to get on with my life, and hopefully we'll get to see some democratic processes out of it at the end of the day. So back to today's video. Like I promised us in our last video, today we're going to be talking about remote opportunities for those looking for passive income, those looking to work remotely while they are studying, or those are looking for side hustle to add to their 9-to-5 jobs. So I'm going to be sharing some resources by the end of this video of remote jobs you can do while you're studying from the comfort of your home. Personally, I love remote working, and while I was studying at the University of Nicosia, I basically worked remotely for the 15 months I did my MBA. So let's just get on with it. So we are going to start from the basics to the more advanced ones. So for the basic ones, you just need English speaking skills. You need to be able to speak very good professional English. You need to be able to communicate effectively. You need to be able to manage your time, and also you need to know what it takes to get onto this platform, provide your profile and details, and get things set up before you can start taking in jobs. So generally, what you need at this basic stage, you need a laptop, you need good internet connectivity, and if you're in Europe, if you're in the US and other developed countries, then you can easily access this. People from Africa can also access this, and those in Asia as well. You just need to position yourself well for these opportunities. I'm going to start with the first one, which is transcribing jobs or transcription jobs. So this is very easy to get on. While some of them require you to have some experience, some of these platforms do not require any experience at all. You just need to write a test to prove that your English speaking skills are good. And there are those that transcribe from English to Mandarin, from English to Korea, English to English, and different languages. For those that also speak French, I know some of you from the the French-speaking African countries also watch my videos, so you may want to take advantage of this. So we have them in the form of podcasts, we have them in the form of YouTube video transcription, we have them in the form of edtech videos or podcast transcription. We have those from the legal firms, from some from the tech world. So how it works is that they give you audio material or video material that you listen to. You need a headphone or an earpiece. You listen to these videos or audios, and you type those captions. You transcribe them, whether from English voice transcription to English and typing them in English and all of that. So that's the basis of the task. All you have to do is transcribe them within the allotted time, do your job well, do a very thorough job, and then you submit. It will be looked at, to be vetted, and then you get your payment. So the lowest fee for this transcription platforms, which I'll be listing out to you in this video, is 25 cents per minute, and then the highest is $2.50 per minute. So some of them get to pay you weekly, while some of them bi-weekly. That means you're paid twice in a week. Some of them is based on a project base. You'll be paid maybe 70% upfront, 30% when you're done with the job. Some pays, some use some form of escrow system. So it's dependent on the platform that you're onboarded into. Why some of this platform also require you to have some sort of, like, if you are studying in an English speaking school in Europe and you've written IELTS before, that's a very good one because you'll be very familiar with the test side of things in some of this platform. While some platforms also offer training, so after you write the test and certify that yes, your English is very good, then they also train you on best practices, so you'll be able to provide their clients with a very good job. So transcription, like I said, is just the basics of it. Then we also have surveys. We have surveys that pay from £1, $1, $1.5 up to $10 or £9. So it's dependent on the industry and the platform and the depth of the survey. Surveys are kind of different. Some require you to do in-store shopping and all of that. So transcriptions and surveys are just the basic one that do not require you to have any much hassles of a skill set. Then I'm going to be listing some of these transcription services for you now, so you can easily look them over. Trust me guys, this is very easy and anybody can take advantage of this. One of the very good platform is Go Transcript. We have rev.com, we have WaywithWordsjobs, we have Scribie. I love Scribie because Scribie is very beginner friendly. Like you get in, you write your test and you can start booking for jobs. Then we have CastingWords, we have Speechpad, we have TranscribeMe, we have Transcription Hub, we have Daily Transcription, and we have Accu Tran Global. Now for Accu Tran Global, it requires you to have a bank account in the US. So some of these platforms pay directly into your PayPal account, while some of them require some other accounts in the country. So you may also want to use the platform with which you are doing this. Let's say for example Daily Transcription, if they have a platform, you want to use that platform to get your payment. Some also use Revolut. So I know of others that use PayPal, Seller, so you just need to find the one that's the right fit for you. So that's that about the basic ones that require little to no skill set. Now, another way you can get yourself to do remote work in this time is to subscribe to this tech-based platform where you can offer your services. For example, what comes to mind is Upwork. I've tried Upwork before. As a digital marketer, there were times where I offered content management. I manage CMS. There are times where I manage people's social media for basically small businesses. Now, to make the most out of Upwork, this is just my 3 advice to you. Just create your platform. They give a trial period before they start charging you. Now, when you create your profile, make sure you put samples of what you can do, what you've done. And if you've not done anything before, don't get deterred. Just make sure, the second thing is make sure you bid for projects that have just at most 8 people have bidded for that job. You want to be among the first 5 people. So when companies are looking at portfolio or profiles, they will be able to pick you. You don't want to be bidding for jobs or sending out proposal for jobs that already have 10 people bidding for it, 11, 12, 20 and what have you. It's very good you bid early. Once you see this job and you know it's something you can do and you have the skill set, then go ahead and bid for that job. And make sure your proposal is well done. Create a very good proposal that's eye-catching. Then the third thing I would say to you is that make sure whatever job you're bidding for has that blue mark that says that the person can pay you, that is verified for payment. Because the worst thing that can happen to you on Upwork is to get a job with someone that's not verified for payment, so you don't work for free. So another tip you can also use for doing getting gigs on Upwork, if you've not done any job before, is you can decide to offer 1 week free. Just speak to them. I can give you a week of free work to just see if you like my work. If you like my work, then you can go ahead and pay me. You can go ahead and let me continue doing this job and then pay me. Then you can also charge lower rates since you're just starting out, and get enough portfolio, because the more experienced you are, the more you're able to charge. Like, you can charge $50 an hour depending on your skill set. Like, I really love Upwork. So the next tech platform you can use to get digital jobs. And just so I name out this job, if you've done customer service before, you've gotten some sort of experience before you started studying, or you're already working, you have some sort of experience, you have some sort of portfolio, customer service, graphic design, tech support, digital marketing, UI, UX, what have you, what is it that you're very good at? Even some of the companies I currently work with as a digital marketer, we outsource our graphic works, our video editing and all of that. Most companies prefer to outsource because it's cheaper and it saves time. You don't need to bring people in-house and pay for all of those extra bonuses that you have to do for staff. So that's why a lot of companies prefer to use some of this platform to get professionals rather than training people from the scratch to get some jobs done. So what you have to do is make sure you have a portfolio, bid for the jobs you know you can do, and start from there to start building your income. Another platform that's very great for some of those roles, there is another role that's really upcoming, which is AI content strategist. You can work with ChatGPT, gather those content ideas and move with it, and make sure everything is sorted out for companies to work on. So most companies are trying to save time. So if you can do that, learn something, grow your skill sets, copywriting, sales advice, or whatever it is you're interested in. Graphic design, memes. People earn a lot from just creating memes or memes. So you need to find your niche, what you know you're good at, and start working on that to build portfolio. You can do it for 1 or 2 people, or just do some things online, package that as your portfolio and put it on Upwork. And once you focus on just that, you can grow from there and even expand to other things. So another platform for very good tech role is Remotive, LinkedIn, Flexjobs, Indeed works mostly in the US and the UK and Ireland. Why Indeed Flex works in the UK, I've used it in the UK and it's really very okay. You can book a shift and get paid by the next Friday, and it's really very flexible. We have remoteleads.io, we have Powertofly, we have Contra, we have JustRemote, we have Crossover, we have Remote, we have Dice, we have SolidGigs, and we have Wellfound. And Wellfound was previously known as Angellist, that's ANGEL, then LIST, one word. They are very good. I'm really in love with their services, and you may want to check that out. I'm going to list it so you see it on the screen, and I would also put it on the description so you guys can also apply to the one that best fits you. So you need to look for the one that best fits you. For me personally, LinkedIn has been my major source of getting clients, whether it's contract, fixed term contract, 3-month projects, and just soft time gigs, one-off projects. LinkedIn has been my go-to place, working with clients and also generating clients for my clients. So that's just what has really worked for me mostly, LinkedIn referral, and also getting to work for some of my colleagues back when I was in Cyprus. So these are platforms that can really help you. Once you decide the platform you choose, whether it's LinkedIn, just create a very good profile, put what you've done or what you can do or what you're interested in doing, and then start reaching out to people. You can do cold leads. You mustn't wait for people to reach out to you. Reach out to prospective businesses that you know you can offer your services to. So with this, you'll be able to start building your portfolio, get more clients, and as time goes on, before you see you have another stream of income. So these are ways that have really helped me personally. I still work remotely right now, and most of my jobs are contract based. So I really want to urge you guys, if you really feel you're not getting a physical job in Cyprus or wherever you are, or you think you need a remote job, or you want something you can do on the side besides your 9-to-5 job, then you want to give this a try. And please guys, if you get a job through this platform, just share it in the comment section. It will always encourage people. And if you have any other platform that has worked for you, I would really love you guys to drop it on the chat on the comment section, so other people can also get to learn from everyone and we grow together. So guys, I remember the scholarship video, that will be the next video after this, and hopefully it will be out this weekend, latest by Saturday. So guys, thank you very much once again for always stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you got value from this. So till I see you again, cheers.